For more than 130 years, O Smith has focused on manufacturing quality products and taking care of our customers. It all started in Milwaukee when Charles Jeremiah Smith established a small machine shop in 1874 that would become the foundation of O Smith's rich history of technological breakthroughs. Named C.J. Smith & Sons, the company worked in the bicycle industry with its concept of steel tubing in 1889 and soon became the largest bicycle parts manufacturer in the world. 10 years later, a son of the founder named O Smith took over the company and developed the world's first pressed steel automobile frame. Their success led to an order from Henry Ford himself in 1906 for 10,000 steel automobile frames. The order prompted the establishment of the world's first mass production process for assembling frames. Within 4 years, O Smith became North America's largest frame manufacturer. Back to bicycles in 1914, O Smith developed the first gas-powered device with the Smith motor wheel, and soon after, they unveiled what was billed as the first sports car with the Smith Flyer. A few years later, the company began manufacturing bomb casings during World War I and became the largest bomb maker in the U.S. The company's breakthroughs continued after the war with the development of the coated welding rod, which influenced the development of arc welding as a mass production method. In 1921, under L.R. Smith, the company unveiled the Mechanical Marble Plant, a fully automated automobile frame assembly plant that was capable of making a frame every 8 seconds. Before exiting the business of auto frame production many years later, O Smith produced more than 100 million frames. Still interested in welding, the method of economically forming and welding large diameter steel line pipe was perfected by O Smith in 1927. And then in 1933, O Smith introduced the first single-piece glass-lined brewery tank. More recently, O Smith focused its manufacturing expertise on providing innovative hot water solutions to plumbing wholesalers and contractors for residential and commercial application. That focus has continued for more than 70 years now. In 1936, the glass-lined water heater developed by O Smith became the standard of the industry, making hot water more affordable for homeowners. The 1940s brought World War II, which diverted much of O Smith's focus to supporting the Allied war effort. This temporarily put a halt to the mass production of water heaters and shifted O Smith's production expertise back to making bomb casings. By 1945, O Smith built over 4.5 million bombs, plus aircraft propellers, landing gear, torpedo air flasks, and other materials to support the Allied war effort. 4 years later, the company introduced a glass-fused to steel silo called the Harvestor. Those O Smith-built silos were installed on farms throughout North America, and many are still in service today, some for more than 50 years. By the 1960s, O Smith was again fully focused on introducing innovation in the water heater industry and celebrated building its 10 millionth residential water heater. In 1972, O Smith expanded into Europe, launching operations in Veldhoven, Netherlands. 1974 marked 100 years of business for O Smith. They also introduced the conservationist line of residential water heaters, a more energy-efficient family of water heaters. O Smith continued technological innovation into the 1990s with the introduction of the Cyclone commercial water heater, providing customers with high thermal efficiencies in the mid-90% range. In 2001, the company acquired State Industries Incorporated and its Appcom Inc. subsidiary, nearly doubling the size of its water heater business. O Smith then expanded its scope and entered the water purification industry in 2009 with the launch of O Smith Water Treatment Products Company, Ltd. And 2010 brought the introduction of high-efficiency Revolution products. More recently, O Smith has grown again with the acquisition of Takagi Corporation's North American tankless water heater operations and with the acquisition of Lochinvar Corporation, a leading manufacturer of high-efficiency condensing residential and commercial boilers for hot water and hydronic heating applications. For more than 130 years, our roots have been tied to developing innovative technologies and focusing on our customers. Based on those values, O Smith's rich history will continue for many, many years. Today, O Smith remains committed to manufacturing superior residential and commercial water heating products that are innovative and energy efficient, and to being a true partner to our many wholesalers and contractors around the country. An important part of being a solid partner in the industry is the ability to produce a reliable product that is easy to install and keeps callbacks to a minimum. Through ongoing investments in our state-of-the-art plant, we ensure total manufacturing excellence, from zero-leak robotic welding and a superior glass lining process to high-level production controls and a zero-leak assembly process. Rigorous testing guarantees that O Smith products continue to be innovative and reliable. Units are tested under real-world circumstances and extreme circumstances to ensure that the self-cleaning capabilities and glass lining formulas hold up even in extreme conditions. O Smith has been providing innovation since 1874 when C.J. Smith launched his small machine shop. The original family spirit still lives strong, and our heritage continues with a long-term workforce that has grown as the company has grown. And our contractor network is a natural extension of the O Smith family. To be a true partner, it is key for us at O Smith to always have our contractors in mind. That's why we packaged a complete selection of tools to help sell our products, ensuring that our contractors can be the most profitable in the business. Through our contractor value proposition, we pledge to be the ultimate partner by offering a complete package of tools to ensure success. First, our contractor locator drives tens of thousands of consumers from hotwater.com right to an O Smith contractor in their area. Contractors can also access our Dealer Marketing Resource Center right from our website. It's full of customizable advertising pieces contractors can use to promote their businesses and keep their phones ringing. O Smith leads the industry with its comprehensive product line, as well as the tools contractors will need to explain each product's features and benefits, helping close the sale. Additionally, O Smith recognizes its loyal users through the Contractor Rewards program. Contractor Rewards awards points for each O Smith product purchased. Then, the contractor can redeem the points for cool prizes like TVs or golf clubs. Contractor Rewards also fuels your ranking in our contractor locator, so sign up now to get free prizes and free sales leads. Finally, O Smith provides national marketing support to put O Smith and its products in front of more consumers. When it's time for a new water heater, we want to make sure consumers think O Smith and our loyal contractors. O Smith is, and always will be, dedicated to innovative, energy-efficient water heaters. Dedicated to best-in-class customer satisfaction. Dedicated to added value programs for contractors and wholesalers. Because that's what built our company, and that's what makes us who we are.